Ndewo no. Yeah, I want to hear ndewo. Kedu ka unu mere? Anyị dị mma. Now I'm going to say, kedu ka I mere? Adị mma. Okay. All right. For the new ones, aha m bụ Kunet Ogochukwu Ohaya. Okay. So tata means today. Today we are going to talk about Igbo vowels, okay? Because we are still doing the spelling. And why I want to do the Igbo vowels is because I want you all to know exactly how to pronounce those vowels. And that's going to help you when you're doing your spelling. Ahirioku, then you should be able to know it. So we're going to do the vowels. But before we do that, I am going to talk about the event. Okay, so last week, let me make my distance. 1 second. Let me see. Okay. Wait a minute, let me see. Okay, everybody can hear me. So last week, I don't know why this is showing like this. 1 second, because I need to put this in the way it's supposed to be. All right, let's give some people time to call in, because I'm going to say some important information. I'm going to give you important information, and I need everybody to make sure whatever you're going to submit is that you're going to do it this week, because we are running out of time. Some of you have not sent, remember what I requested that you sent to me? What you're going to present. I need you to send it to me as soon as possible. You need to send it to me as soon as possible, because we don't have time to waste anymore. Oh gosh, so anything that you're going to present, I will need you to send it to me as soon as possible. Please, we don't have time. I need to start putting things together and give you what you're going to present. All right, so I'm going to share screen with you right now. All right, so last week we had a live rehearsal in Atlanta, and most people that live in Atlanta, they came. Some people didn't come, and some of you didn't come because you live in another state, and that's why I'm going to review what we did. And make sure you are learning and doing what I told you to do. So first of all, this is what I want you to do. I would like you to send me what you would like to present. I sent out the list. Last 2 weeks, and very few of you already sent what they're going to do. So if you know what you're going to present at the event, send it to me. I need to make sure that we finalize on that, and you're going to start memorizing and doing what you're supposed to do as soon as possible, so that you have enough time to prepare for it. Please, it's very important, very, very important. Another thing is this, the welcome song. This is the welcome song here. So I listed it here, the lyrics is here. I have all the lyrics here. I have all of them listed. So we practice the welcome song, we practice drumming, we also dance. So, but we can still learn it. So we're going to go over a little bit, and then I will send it to you, and record it and forward to you. You practice and practice, okay? And then after that, we go back to the spelling. Okay, so the welcome song. See, if you look on the screen here, so it says, Anyị gara na mmiri. Anyị gara means, anyị means us. Gara. Gara means went. Na mmiri, which is the ocean or water, you know, something like that. That is in another country or in another place, okay? Now we say, ma anyị, but we, gaano, we stay na ụgbọ mmiri, our own boat, okay? It's like an idiom, okay? Our own boat, okay? That belongs to us. It's literally saying that, okay, even though we are here, but we're still not going to forget our heritage. That's basically what it is. Okay, so ekwensu, this word ekwensu, going to put in there. Ekwensu means Satan, okay? So that's what it is. Nochigoduru, even if Satan is blocking us, okay? We are going to continue moving forward. We're not going to look back. Okay, so it goes like this. So I'm gonna use this instrument to play it to help you follow the beat, okay? But I want you to watch the words when I'm reading it or when I'm singing it. Anyị gara na mmiri nke nọ na mba ọzọ. Okay, pay attention. You see how the beating is going? Anyị gara na mmiri nke nọ na mba ọzọ. Ma anyị ga-anọ na mmiri, ma anyị ga-anọ n'ụgbọ mmiri nke anyị. Ekwensu nochigoduru anyị ụzọ. Anyị ga-azọsi ụkwụ ike n'ala tụrụ egwu. I will sing it again. Anyị gara na mmiri nke nọ na mba ọzọ. Ma anyị ga-anọ n'ụgbọ mmiri nke anyị. Ekwensu nochigoduru anyị ụzọ. Anyị ga-azọsi ụkwụ ike n'ala tụrụ egwu. Okay, now, so there's another one that follows, okay? Now it goes like this. Anyị ga-asụ asụsụ Igbo anyị na-enweghị ụjọ ọbụla. Biko soba n'asụsụ Igbo anyị. Ụmụ Igbo soba n'asụsụ Igbo. Soba n'asụsụ Igbo. Ka asụsụ Igbo anyị gara enwu. Ụmụ Igbo soba n'asụsụ Igbo. Soba n'asụsụ Igbo. Ka asụsụ Igbo anyị gara enwu. This is a marching song. Okay, well, that's a mistake. This is a marching song. Okay, so the marching song you're going to sing while coming in to the stage. All right, this is a marching song. Now, this is what we're gonna do again. Anyị gara na mmiri nke nọ na mba ọzọ. Ma anyị ga n'ụgbọ mmiri nke anyị. Again. Anyị gara na mmiri nke nọ na mba ọzọ. Ma anyị ga-anọ n'ụgbọ mmiri nke anyị. Ekwensu nochigoduru anyị ụzọ. Anyị ga-azọsi ụkwụ ike n'ala tụrụ egwu. Anyị ga na-asụ asụsụ Igbo anyị enweghị ụjọ ọbụla. Biko soba n'asụsụ Igbo anyị. Ụmụ Igbo soba n'asụsụ Igbo, soba n'asụsụ Igbo, ka asụsụ Igbo anyị ghara ịnwụ. Ụmụ Igbo soba n'asụsụ Igbo, soba n'asụsụ Igbo, ka asụsụ Igbo anyị ghara ịnwụ. Okay, now once you get to the stage, then the welcome song, okay? Welcome song means ukwe nnabata. Then we start by saying, anyị na-ekele onye ọbụla nọ n'ebe a tata ịkwado asụsụ n'omenala Igbo. I will sing it again. Anyị na-ekele onye ọbụla nọ n'ebe a tata ịkwado asụsụ n'omenala Igbo. Anyị na-ekele unu niile etu unu siri bịa taa ịkwado asụsụ ịkwado asụsụ Igbo ka ọ ghara ịnwụ. I will sing it again. Anyị na-ekele onye ọbụla nọ n'ebe a tata ịkwado asụsụ n'omenala Igbo. Anyị na-ekele unu niile etu unu siri bịa taa ịkwado asụsụ Igbo ka ọ ghara ịnwụ. Now I'm going to play this and follow the beat, okay? Anyị na-ekele onye ọbụla nọ n'ebe a tata ịkwado asụsụ n'omenala Igbo. Anyị na-ekele unu niile etu unu siri bịa taa ịkwado asụsụ Igbo ka ọ ghara ịnwụ. I will sing it again. Okay. Anyị na-ekele onye ọbụla nọ n'ebe a tata ịkwado asụsụ Igbo ịkwado asụsụ n'omenala Igbo. Anyị na-ekele unu niile etu unu siri bịa taa ịkwado asụsụ Igbo ka ọ ghara ịnwụ. Again, anyị na-ekele onye ọbụla nọ n'ebe a tata ịkwado asụsụ n'omenala Igbo. Anyị na-ekele unu niile etu unu siri bịa taa ịkwado asụsụ Igbo ka ọ ghara ịnwụ. Now the meaning is this. Anyị na-ekele onye ọbụla means we are thanking everybody. Okay? Onye ọbụla means everybody. Nọ na ebe a tata. Nọ na ebe a tata means everybody, who is here. Okay? Everybody who is here today, which means we are referring to the event because we're going to sing it on the day of our event. Okay? Now, Ecuador means support. Okay, see Ecuador, look on the screen. Ecuador means support. Asụsụ, language, na omenala Igbo, our language and our culture, Igbo language and Igbo culture. That's Ecuador, asụsụ na omenala Igbo means all the people supporting our Igbo language and culture. Now, the other one with the asterisk said, anyị na-ekele unu niile. We thank everyone, okay? How you are, how you are supporting us, how you try to be here today to support us, okay? To support our Igbo language and culture, to prevent it from dying, to prevent it from going into extinction. That's basically what this is all about, all right? Now, the chorus, after we sing that, okay? Atlanta Igbo School, narị ụmụ Igbo, biko soba na-asụsụ Igbo, ebe ọbụla n'obi n'ụwa, ka ọ ghara ịnwụ. Now pay attention again. Atlanta Igbo School, we beg all Igbo people to keep on speaking Igbo language, to keep speaking Igbo language, okay? Wherever you live, wherever you are, so that it won't die, okay? That's what we're saying. Atlanta Igbo School, narị ụmụ Igbo, biko soba na-asụsụ Igbo, ebe ọbụla unu bi n'ụwa, ka ọ ghara ịnwụ. Again, Atlanta Igbo School, narị ụmụ Igbo, biko soba na-asụsụ Igbo, ebe ọbụla unu bi n'ụwa, ka ọ ghara ịnwụ. Atlanta Igbo School, narị ụmụ Igbo, biko soba na-asụsụ Igbo, ebe ọbụla unu bi n'ụwa, ka ọ ghara ịnwụ. All right, so now let's sing verse 1, okay, which is the first stanza, and then we join it. We join the chorus. So let's do that. Anyị na-ekele onye ọbụla nọ n'ebe tata, ịkwado asụsụ n'omenala Igbo. Anyị na-ekele unu niile, unu siri bịa taa, ịkwado asụsụ Igbo ka ọ ghara ịnwụ. Atlanta Igbo School, narị ụmụ Igbo, biko soba na-asụsụ Igbo, ebe ọbụla unu bi n'ụwa, ka ọ ghara ịnwụ. Atlanta Igbo School, narị ụmụ Igbo, biko soba na-asụsụ Igbo, ebe ọbụla unu bi n'ụwa, ka ọ ghara ịnwụ. Now we're going to go to number 2. The same pattern, okay? The same pattern. Anyị na-arịọ ụmụ Igbo niile, ebe ọbụla unu bi, soba asụsụ Igbo n'ezinụlọ unu. Okay, now, number 2. Anyị na-arịọ ụmụ Igbo niile, we beg all Igbo children, okay? All Igbo children. 1 second. We beg all Igbo children. Okay. 1 second. Someone is calling. Okay. Anyị na-arịọ ụmụ Igbo niile, ebe ọbụla unu bi, all Igbo children, wherever you live. Okay. Soba asụsụ Igbo, speak Igbo language. N'ezinụlọ, ezinụlọ means in your family. Okay. Anyị na-arịọ ụmụ Igbo niile, all Igbo children, wherever you are, speak Igbo language, okay, to prevent it from dying. All right. So that's what we're saying, okay. Now let me sing number 2 again. Anyị na-arịọ ụmụ Igbo niile, ebe ọbụla unu bi, soba asụsụ Igbo n'ezinụlọ unu. Anyị na-arịọ ụmụ Igbo niile, ebe ọbụla unu nọ, soba asụsụ Igbo soba asụsụ Igbo anyị ka ọ ghara ịnwụ. Atlanta Igbo School, narị ụmụ Igbo, biko soba na-asụsụ Igbo, ebe ọbụla unu bi n'ụwa, ka ọ ghara ịnwụ. Atlanta Igbo School, narị ụmụ Igbo, biko soba na-asụsụ Igbo, ebe ọbụla unu bi n'ụwa, ka ọ ghara ịnwụ. Now let's sing number 2 again. Follow the beat, okay? Okay, someone is calling in. Right, so let's follow the beat. Anyị na-arịọ ụmụ Igbo niile gbabụlọ n'obi sụba asụsụ Igbo n'ezinụlọ nọ. Anyị na-arịọ ụmụ Igbo niile gbabụlọ n'ọnọ sụba asụsụ Igbo anyị ka ọ ghara ịnwụ. Again. Anyị na-arịọ ụmụ Igbo niile gbabụlọ n'ọnọ. Again. Anyị na-arịọ ụmụ Igbo niile gbabụlọ n'obi sụba asụsụ Igbo n'ezinụlọ nọ. Anyị na-arịọ ụmụ Igbo niile gbabụlọ n'ọnọ sụba asụsụ Igbo anyị ka ọ ghara ịnwụ. Chorus. Atlanta Igbo School na-arịọ ụmụ Igbo biko sụba n'asụsụ Igbo ebe ọbụla n'obi n'ụwa ka ọ ghara ịnwụ. Atlanta Igbo School na-arịọ ụmụ Igbo biko sụba n'asụsụ Igbo ebe ọbụla n'obi n'ụwa ka ọ ghara ịnwụ. Now, number 3. Okay, number 3, the same pattern. The same pattern. Okay. Now, number 3 is aṅụrị. This is word. Aṅụrị means joy. Joy, your happiness. Okay. Now, obiọma, it's like happy. We're so happy. Okay. Aṅụrị na obiọma ka anyị jee kele ka anyị we aṅụrị na obiọma ka anyị that we all thank you all. Okay, we thank you all maka nkwado, because of your support and your help. Na-enyemaka. Enyemaka is help. Okay, nke ọnụ, your help. We thank you for your support and your help to keep our language and culture going. Okay, all our sponsors supporting us and helping us and being there to support Atlanta Igbo School to keep this language going and our culture. Okay, without their support, we won't be able to be hosting this class free. Okay, it's because of the support of our parents. Okay, all our sponsors. That's why we're able to have this class free, and you don't have to pay for this class every week. All right, so that's basically what we're saying here. Now, I'm going to sing number 3, the same pattern. Don't forget, follow the same pattern, okay? Aṅụrị n'obiọma ka anyị jee kelee unu ncha. Aṅụrị n'obiọma ka anyị jee kelee unu ncha. Okay. Okay, let me start number 2 to avoid COVID. All right, so let's do number 2 again. Anyị na-arịọ ụmụ Igbo niile ebe ọbụla n'obi sụba asụsụ Igbo n'ezinụlọ nọ. Anyị na-arịọ ụmụ Igbo niile ebe ọbụla n'ọnọ sụba asụsụ Igbo anyị ka ọ ghara ịnwụ. Atlanta Igbo School. Okay, let me show the chorus. Atlanta Igbo School na-arịọ ụmụ Igbo biko sụba n'asụsụ Igbo ebe ọbụla n'obi n'ụwa ka ọ ghara ịnwụ. Atlanta Igbo School na-arịọ ụmụ Igbo biko sụba n'asụsụ Igbo ebe ọbụla n'obi n'ụwa ka ọ ghara ịnwụ. Now we're going to do number 3 now. Pay attention. Aṅụrị n'obiọma ka anyị jee kelee unu ncha maka nkwado na-enye maka nke unu. Again, number 3. Aṅụrị n'obiọma ka anyị jee kelee unu ncha. Pay attention. Aṅụrị n'obiọma ka anyị jee kelee unu ncha maka nkwado na-enye maka nkwụnụ. Udo dịrị unu niile mgbe unu ga-alaghachi. Okay, I'm going to sing it again, okay? I need to go up a little bit. 1 second. All right, number 3 again. I hope you can see it. Aṅụrị n'obiọma ka anyị ji kelee unu ncha maka nkwado na-enye maka nkwụnụ. Udo dịrị unu niile mgbe unu ga-alaghachi. Udo dịrị unu niile means peace. May peace be up unto you guys when you're going back. Ka Chukwu dulara unu n'udo. Ka Chukwu means God. May God, may God guide all of you, lead you all safely home. That's what we're saying. Aṅụrị n'obiọma ka anyị ji ekele unu ncha maka nkwado na-enye maka nkwụnụ. Udo dịrị unu niile mgbe unu ga-alaghachi. Ka Chukwu dulara unu na udo. Again. Aṅụrị n'obiọma ka anyị ji ekele unu ncha maka nkwado na-enye maka nkwụnụ. Udo dịrị unu niile mgbe unu ga-alaghachi. Ka Chukwu dulara unu na udo. Atlanta Igbo School narị ụmụ Igbo biko soba n'asụsụ Igbo ebe ọbụla unu bi n'ụwa ka ọ ghara ịnwụ. Atlanta Igbo School narị ụmụ Igbo biko soba n'asụsụ Igbo ebe ọbụla unu bi n'ụwa ka ọ ghara ịnwụ. That's the end. Okay, so please, I'm going to send it out and I want you to put your time learning it. All right, whether you're coming to Atlanta or not, but you need to know this song. You need to know the song. Okay, so I will post the lyrics. I will also record it separately and post it how it's supposed to flow. And we're going to play. This is not the only instrument you are going to play that day. We are going to play all the instruments, So we have the instrumentalist playing it, and then the singers will be singing. The singers are all of you. All right. So please learn it. And once we are getting close to the time, I'm going to request for everyone to record himself or herself and send it to me. All right, but we're going to keep on practicing. All right, so right now we're going to stop here and then go to class. And I said we are going to do vowels, the 8 Igbo vowels, because it's going to help you when you're doing your spelling. So we go over the vowels and then we go back to spelling to make sure that you know how to sound those alphabets. All right. Day 1. All right, so let me stop sharing and go back to the class. Okay, so now this is the vowel. Please, everybody, I need you to pay attention. Pay attention to here, to these Igbo vowels. So let me make it bigger. And I hope you can see the screen. So our Igbo 8 vowels, okay? Igbo 8 vowels. It's on the screen here. Now, I divided the 8 vowels into 2. I divided the vowels into 2, and pay attention. If you are not understanding or if you are missing something, Please write it down. I'll give you a chance to ask me a question because I want everybody to get it. It will help you whether you're writing or speaking, okay, or trying to spell Igbo word. If you don't get it, you will miss it. So please pay attention. Now, in 8 Igbo vowels, we have group A. And in this group A, they are the ones that has dots, okay? They are not the natural alphabets, but they are the ones that you put dots underneath. And that's why I group them in A and B, E, so that it will help you know which ones are you supposed to put dot underneath it. If these letters are with A, which is A, this letter A, not A. In English is A, but in Igbo is A. So in A group, all these letters, A, A, pay attention. A, A, O, and wash my mouth too. A, O. Okay, so this is how you pronounce it, okay? So when you come to these are just the little, the small letters, these are big letters, so that you see what it looks like. This is how you write A, I, capital letter in Igbo. This is how you write it. Then small letter, this is how you write it. Okay, so now when you go to E group, this E group, we have A, and these are regular alphabets, no dots, okay? Why you saw dot here on the E group on this, because it's a capital letter. But if you look at here, the small letter has only one dot on top, just like a regular I. But the way you say this letter in Igbo is A. It's lighter than the one with double letter A. And you see how my mouth is a lip stretched. A, like your smile, your smile. A. The other one is A. You didn't stretch. A. See that? A. The other one is A. Slight and short. Okay. A. Now the E group are E, O, and U, O, and U, A, O. Now the small letters, the sentence, A, O. Pay attention, O with a dot and U with a dot. O. Pay attention, the sounds are not the same, because some of you are mixing the sound. Don't mix the sound. The O with a dot is O. Now U with a dot is O. Now coming to E group, now pay attention. These are the ones that you don't have to put, no dots on them, except the I that has a regular dot on top, the regular I. It doesn't have it underneath. Okay, we have A, O, and U. Now see the difference between the U with a dot and U without a dot. The one with a dot is O. The U without a dot is U. You see the sound? So now what I would like you to do is this. Put a tone mark. Whatever is going to help you to remember the sound. You can put a mark or you can put anything that will help you remember how to pronounce it, okay? O with a dot, U without a dot. Now the two O's, the O with a dot is O. The one without a dot is O. You see that? Now, coming to the two eyes, the one that has a dot up and the other one a dot down is the one with a dot is or. You see the shape of my mouth, or it has to be like this for you to get it. Or, and the other one, the regular O is O, O, O. I know you got it. All right. So these are the 8 vowels, okay? The 8 Igbo vowels. Whenever you're spelling something, that's how, once you know this sound, that's how you're going to do it. And another thing is this. When you're writing something, for example, if you wrote something like, if you wrote something like Aziza, Aziza. Aziza means broom. Aziza is broom. Now, how do you know whether the I, you see this I, whether we should dot it underneath or leave it the way it is? The trick and the clue here is the A. You see this A? It means that because the A started the word. Not always. Sometimes you might not see this A. You don't even know how to, maybe. How do I know if I should punctuate it? The only clue you have is the sound. That's why you need to train your ear to know the sound. Okay, so Aziza, the A alone, the A that started the word will help you know that this I belongs to a group. Therefore, we need to put a dot underneath this I. Not always, it's not always. You need to know the sound as well. Okay, so we are going to dot this I to make it right. See, grammatically right, okay? So that is the only clue you have. Now, if it is something like nkuzi, nkuzi, how do we know? There's no E, there's no A, so A is not gonna help us here. So how do you know? Now pay attention. Nkuzi. The only thing, the clue here is the U. What sound did you hear? Did you hear U or did you hear O? That is the clue there. But if you don't know your vowels, if you don't know the sound, the different sounds between the two U's, the one with a dot and the other one without, then you won't be able to answer the question. So if I give you something like this without A there to help you, now it will be the sound. Nkuzi, nkuzi, nkuzi. So did you hear nkuzi or did you hear nko? It's nkuzi, therefore no dot, because the sound you had is nku, nku. But if you hear nkuzi, nkuzi is nkuzi, nku, ku, ku. The sound is u, not o. You see, u, not o. Okay. All right. So now let's move on. Let's do one example on the E. Now the E group. If you have something like let's say we have AZ. AZ means outside. Okay, when you hear AZ, how do you know if we should punctuate the I up and down? The E is your clue. You see the E here. So because we don't, E started it, if E ends it too, the same clue. There's no A here. So we should not punctuate the I underneath, okay? So that's one of the clues. But if there's no E there, how would you know? Okay, so let's say we have something like, let's say we have eke, zie. How will you know? The E as well will help you know it belongs to E group. Therefore, no dot underneath the I. All right, So we'll leave it here if you have a question. And if you have a word you want to ask me, maybe you don't know whether you should punctuate it, write it down and bring it up when time comes for questions. All right, so now let's go back to spelling. All right, so we're gonna do some spellings here. All right, I have akwụkwọ. Akwụkwọ. Now, I'm not gonna give you a clue. If you think we should punctuate akwụkwọ, tell me which letter are we supposed to put dot underneath? Tell me. So if you know it, raise your hand. Okay, Chiamaka Nweku. Chiamaka, mute yourself.
Humble Chiamaka.
Tell us the letters.
Akwụkwọ, you punctuate the U and the O.
Akwụkwọ. Okay, what sound did you hear on U?
O.
And then what sound did you hear on O? Galo. Chiamaka Zataraya. Yes, 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 yes. So that's how you do that. I'm glad she knows that. So now I need somebody, let me punch you. Somebody will spell. Who is going to spell akwụkwọ for us? If you are not going to spell it, get your hand down because you don't want me calling you. All right, let me look at the ones. Jacob Mosu. Jacob Ngwa, spell akwụkwọ.
Akwụkwọ.
Then spell it. Kpọpụta ahịrịokwu means spell. Jacob, do you know how to spell akwụkwọ?
A-K.
Okay, now listen, Jacob. I will need you to go over your alphabet because in Igbo alphabet, we don't pronounce A as A, it's A. Okay, so we don't pronounce it as A. So I want you to go over the alphabets again that I posted. If you don't have it, text me after class, then I will forward it to you. Okay, Jacob? But okay. Thank you for Dalo. Dalo is you tried. Okay, who is going to tell us? Let me see. Is that Ralo? Ralo or Cheta Ngwa?
It's Ralo.
Ralo Ngwa. Popotara ahiroku akwụkwọ.
Akwụkwọ. A kwe o kwe o.
Yeah! Wonderful. Good. Osatraya. Yes. A kwe o kwe o. Because the W and K and W are together. Ralo, dalo, 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 dalo. So K and W, pay attention, everyone. They are together. Another KW together in Igbo alphabets. So he did it well. It's A, then the next one, Kwe, the next one, O, another one, Kwe, and then the other one, O. A, Kwe, O, Kwe, O, Akwụkwọ. That's exactly what I'm looking for. Dalo. Aha, kedu onye ga-akpọpụtara ya ahịrịokwu ite. Now, this is the capital letter I. Let's see. So whenever you're writing Igbo words, pay attention to capital letter. This is what it's supposed to be. Kedu onye ga-akpọpụtara anyị ahịrịokwu ite. Okay, let me see. I won't ask you if you already answered the question. Okay, so let me see who is raising hand. Who is this? Amarachi. Amarachi, ngwa kpọpụtara anyị ahịrịokwu ite. Amarachi neba. Amarachi, omit yourself. Wait, Amarachi, I gave you permission. Okay, wait. Amarachi, I'm going to unmute.
If you're on mute.
Kwuo Amarachi. Yes. Amarachi is the traya. Ite. And that's how you're supposed to answer the question. And don't forget, you are going to contest. Everybody, you want to win the prize. You make sure you contest, okay, for this. Na Amarachi, dalo. Iko, kedonye gemera iko. Wait, I need to meet everyone. Iko, Kamsi, ngwa. Iko.
Ite bu.
No.
Oh, yeah.
Kamsi,
Oh.
Iko.
Iko bu. Ke. O. I mean no.
Okay,
O.
Kamsi, you know it. Slow down, okay? Slow down because I know you know it. Okay, so slow down. Don't forget the Igbo alphabet. We don't call it K. So make sure you call it the way we call it in Igbo alphabet, okay? The way we pronounce it. Ngwa Kamsi.
Iko bu.
Come on, try. Okay. You want your sister to help you?
Yeah, I need help.
Okay. Who is gonna help Kamsi for me? Nenna or Uchenna ngwa. Unmute yourself. Nenna or Uchenna ngwa. Nenna, are you there?
Yes.
Ngwanu. No, Kusio, we can't hear you. Speak up. Okay, we are waiting to hear you. We are waiting for you to spell it. Okay, Nenna. All right, let's find somebody to help you out. I said I don't want to ask somebody that already answered it. Someone else. Emeka ngwa, Emeka higher. Emeka, okay. Emeka ngwa, unmute yourself.
Iko bu. Ke. O.
Okay, don't forget when you spell it, you pronounce it again. Emeka ngwa ọzọ, kwuo ya ọzọ.
Iko.
Iko. No, say Iko. Don't say Iko. Say Iko.
Iko.
Now spell it.
Ke.
Emeka.
O.
You don't need to see Emeka, start all over again.
Iko. Ke. O. Iko.
Kwuo ya ọzọ means say it again.
Iko. Ke. O. Iko.
Yes. Yeah, that's good. Emeka daalụ. Iko bụ
Imela.
Iko. Daalụ nke ukwuu. That's wonderful. Yes, onye ọzọ, another person for ire. Ire means tongue. Okay, let me see who is raising it. If you did it already, I'm not going to ask you. Remember that, because I need to give others opportunity to say something to answer. Let me see. Chizi ngwa, unmute yourself. Chizi on ebe ahụ ngwa. Gịnị wụ ire?
Ire.
Come on.
Ire.
Come on. Now spell it. And I want you to spell it. That's ire is pronouncing it, but I need you to spell it. Spelling it is ipopota ahirioku. Ahirioku means to spell it.
Ire.
Then spell it. Okay, kedu onye ga-enyere Chizi aka? Okay, Chiamaka ngwa. Oh, Chukwudi Honora. No, Chiamaka chere. Chukwudi Honora ngwa ire.
Ire.
No, not ire. It's ire. Say ire.
Ire.
Ngwa.
Ire.
Yeah. Okay, kwuo ya ọzọ, Chukwudi.
Irrebu.
No, say irebu.
Irrebu. Ire.
Yeah. Yes, that's what it is. Ire, yes. Dalo, Chukwudi. Dalo. Aha. I have a big one here. This will be the last one. Ebu, boro, ono. Okay, first of all, are we supposed to punctuate anything here? Ebu, boro, ono. Yes, we're supposed to punctuate ono. Or no. So we are going to put punctuation. We're going to put topo. Okay. Or topo mob. That's how that's what you call it. To put a period under something is topo mob. Mob means or okay. Kadonya, if you know you don't know it, get your hand down. Let me see who is going to spell it. No, nobody is raising hand. I need somebody to raise hand. Please. Who is going to spell ebuboro ono? Means lip. Your lips. Ebuboro ono. Okay, Chiamaka. Dalo. Thank you. Dalo. Okay, Chiamaka, mute yourself. Ebuboro ono means lips. Okay, Chiamaka, I'm going to mute yourself.
I'm unmuted.
Huh?
Bu, o, bu, ore, o,
Bidonishi Chiamaka. Ngwanu Chiamaka bido.
Bu, ebe, u, be, o, re.
Chiamaka, you're calling it, but I need you to spell it. Okay, now let me help you guys out. But every one of you, you're doing very well because we just started it last week. And some of you are grasping it already. That's good. So I'm going to help you to do it. Everybody, pay attention. There's no, so I'm just putting this to help you see that they are separate, okay? We, u, we, o, re, o, ne, o. Egbuboro ono. Okay, guys. Now, listen to me again. Listen, see how we do it. We, u, we, o, ri, o. Okay, that's egbuboro ono. O, ne, o. Ono. That's how you say that, okay? We, u, we, o, ri, o. Ọ na-o egbuboro ọnụ. All right. Okay. Onwe nwere ajụjụ? We stop here today. Onwe nwere ajụjụ? Okay. Ọ bụrụ na ị nwere ajụjụ, welie aka gị elu. It means welie aka elu means raise your hand, which means use the emoji. But if you don't have question, no problem. Okay. Zara nwere ajụjụ, Zara ngwa. Zara ngwa nụnụ. Zara, okay, jụọ ajụjụ gị.
Igbo.
Igbo.
Mba.
Okay, nwere ajụjụ. Okay.
Mba.
Okay, Amarachi, Akonna. Akonna ngwa ị na-eweli aka elu.
Humble, I could not hire everyone ajụjụ.
Okay.
So for the performance, are we gonna be performing our things in like live, or are we gonna video it and then send it to you?
Live.
Okay.
Except the ones in another country or another state that won't be able to come. But I know some people from other states and country are coming. But if you are not going to be able to come, if you live, not the ones living in Atlanta, all of you are performing live. And some people coming from other states are performing live. Okay, even people coming from other countries, they will perform live. But the ones that their parents are not going to be able, we are not going to come. We do their own and record and send to me. And then we are going to air it that day. We have a slide there so that everybody will see it. And that's why it's very important. Everybody should send me what they're doing, because I don't want 2, 3 people. I can only have 2 people, 3 group doing one thing. Once we have more than 3, no. So you need to send me what you're doing as soon as possible. That way I finalize and say, okay, it's good. You go ahead and start practicing your own. But all the ones living in Atlanta, we practice every other Sunday. In April, we are going to be practicing every Sunday. For now, every other Sunday. So don't miss practice. Whatever you're putting together, keep doing it on your own. But all the things that we are doing together in Atlanta, all of you living in Atlanta should come to practice. Okay, nwere onye ọzọ nwere ajụjụ?
Dalu.
Imeela. Amarachi ngwa, Amarachi Udeni.
Humble, Amarachi, ajụjụ.
Okay.
So are we gonna do like the same thing that we did like last Sunday?
Yeah, we keep practicing. Yes, we're going to rehearse the welcome song, the drumming, the speech. We are still going to do that one. The dance, and then other things that, yes, until you guys learn how to do them. And then the beating of the song. So we're going to keep doing all this. But what you're going to present, each of you are going to present is separate. But all the things that we're going to do together in a group, we're gonna keep practicing them. Yes, Amalachi.
Okay.
All right, Emaila. Okay, I have another class. If you have more questions, feel free to text me your question, please. Okay. All right. Please, if you are still confused, make sure you get back to me or tell your parents to call me. All right. While you have a Cardinal, I'm going to unmute everybody now. Cardinal. All right. So unmute. Okay. Okay. So Cardinal.
Cardinal.
Cardinal.